Today, we're exploring some of the major AI breakthroughs that are set to transform the world in 2025 and beyond. These aren't just minor upgrades or flashy demos. We're talking about technologies that will deeply reshape industries, influence daily life, and open entirely new possibilities for the future. So grab a seat, because this is where things get exciting. Artificial intelligence has been moving faster than almost any other field of technology. But what makes 2025 stand out is how these breakthroughs are converging, combining power, speed, and creativity in ways we've never seen before. One of the biggest shifts is the rise of multimodal AI. Until recently, most AI systems were designed to handle one type of input, like text, or images, or sound. But now, advanced models can process multiple forms of data at once. They can read text, understand images, interpret charts, listen to audio, and even generate video. This means you can upload a document and ask for a summary, while also showing a diagram and asking for analysis. Or record a voice note and have it instantly turned into an organized written report. The ability to combine text, vision, and audio unlocks entirely new ways for humans to interact with machines. Another major breakthrough is real-time AI reasoning. In the past, AI often felt like a static assistant. You asked a question, it gave an answer. But now, researchers are developing systems that can reason step by step, adapt to new information instantly, and even reference live data. This is pushing AI closer to something we might call continuous intelligence. Imagine having an AI that doesn't just answer your questions, but actively monitors ongoing events, adapts strategies in real time, and provides insights before you even think to ask. That shift from reactive to proactive AI will change everything from finance and healthcare to education and entertainment. We're also seeing incredible progress in AI for science and medicine. In drug discovery, AI models are now able to design new molecules, predict how they will interact with the human body, and accelerate testing. What used to take years can now be done in months, or even weeks. In healthcare, AI is improving diagnostic accuracy by analyzing medical scans, detecting patterns invisible to the human eye, and assisting doctors in early treatment. Beyond hospitals, wearable devices powered by AI will soon monitor vital signs in real time, giving people early warnings about potential health risks before they become serious. This could mark the beginning of a new era of personalized medicine, where your healthcare is constantly adapted to you, not just based on annual checkups, but on continuous intelligent monitoring. Another area advancing quickly is generative video and creativity tools. We've seen AI generate realistic images, but the next frontier is full-motion video that looks almost indistinguishable from real life. By 2025, creating a professional quality short film might be as simple as writing a script and letting AI handle the visuals, editing, and sound design. For creators, this is both exciting and challenging. It opens up opportunities for independent filmmakers, educators, and storytellers who never had access to Hollywood-level production tools. But it also raises questions about originality, authenticity, and intellectual property. AI is also becoming far more energy efficient. One of the criticisms of large models has been their high computing and energy costs. But breakthroughs in hardware, including new AI-focused chips and more efficient algorithms, are making advanced AI more sustainable. This means the future of AI won't just be about power, but also about responsibility to the environment. These chips also unlock faster edge computing, which allows AI to run directly on personal devices instead of relying only on cloud servers. That's why smartphones, laptops, and even cars are beginning to carry features that used to require massive server farms. The AI revolution is literally moving into your pocket. We should also talk about autonomous systems. From self-driving cars to robotics, AI is evolving to manage complex environments in real time. Factories are deploying AI-powered robots that can adapt to changes in production instantly. Drones are being used for everything from agriculture to disaster relief. And smart cities are beginning to integrate AI to optimize traffic flow, reduce energy waste, and improve public safety. The next step will be collaborative autonomy, where AI systems don't just operate alone, but coordinate with each other and with humans to complete tasks on a massive scale. Education is another field being reshaped. Adaptive learning platforms powered by AI are now able to personalize lessons for each student, adjusting to strengths and weaknesses in real time. This could help bridge gaps in global education, giving millions of students access to personalized tutors powered by advanced AI. All of these breakthroughs lead to one big reality: AI is no longer just a tool we use, it's becoming an ecosystem that surrounds us. From the phone in your hand, to the car you drive, to the systems that manage global industries, AI will quietly and sometimes dramatically shape nearly every aspect of daily life. Of course, with these breakthroughs also come challenges. Questions about ethics, fairness, safety, and job impacts are bigger than ever. But what's clear is that the opportunities ahead are unprecedented. The key will be balancing innovation with responsibility, so that AI becomes a force that benefits everyone. So when we look at 2025 and beyond, we see a world where AI is multimodal, real-time, proactive, creative, sustainable, and embedded in every industry. It's not science fiction anymore. It's the new reality unfolding right in front of us. The next decade won't just be shaped by AI, it will be defined by it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the future of technology. And let us know in the comments, which AI breakthrough excites you the most, and which one do you think will impact your life the most in the next few years. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.